yesterday we made a little purchase. We've been looking for a little boat for a while, and this one popped up. It's a Quintrex cartopper 3.7, so we'll eventually put it on our Hilux, or down the track if we get a hybrid caravan, we'll have it on the roof of that. So yeah, we're looking forward to it, be able to get out and do a few more adventures around the Cairns region and further out wherever we want to go. So we did start a bit of a video. We picked it up and come camping straight up to Tinaroo Dam yesterday. We were a little bit late though. We did get some cool footage of a castle hairy crossing the road, and then we got here, we made a pulled pork in the travel buddy on the way, and filmed it all last night and yesterday, and unfortunately we got an SD card error. So if I do manage to recover it, I'll roll on that footage now. If not, yeah, it'll only be a little short video just of our first little maiden voyage in the boat. We were going to camp another night tonight, but it's very, very windy and rainy and stuff, so we stayed here at Tinaroo last night. We'll go put the boat in this afternoon and then we'll make our way home. So yeah, we'll show you the boat. So yeah, it's like I said, it's a 3.7 cartopper, and it's got a 15 Merc 2-stroke, in very good condition. There's not even any paint off the prop, so the boat's barely being used, and it's on a full aluminium trailer, which is pretty cool. So yeah, we're looking forward to more adventures, and yeah, hopefully show you guys some more of this epic tropical North Queensland. This is the campground we're staying at, Platypus campground on Tinaroo Dam. We've got this little site here. It's stunning. So you just head up to the Atherton Tablelands. You go through a little town, I think it's Chiari or something like that, and then to little town Tinaroo Falls, and a little bit of dirt track to Platypus campground. There's actually 4 campgrounds along this track in the Dambulla National Park. It's $7.40 or something per person a night, so yeah, it's awesome. There's flushing toilets, all that sort of stuff, and yeah, really stunning landscape. This would actually be a perfect spot on your way up or back from the Cape, just to come chill by the lake for a bit. Yeah, it's beautiful. So yeah, definitely add it to your list.
Good morning. Say good morning. Hey.
Double shot. Need it today.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way.
I've just brought Tinny out for its maiden voyage, just on the lake. The weather's pretty shitty, so just gonna have a quick little run.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to
Well, that's it for this one, guys. Just a quick little episode. We just wanted to show you our little tinny. We were hoping to stay up there a couple of days, but the weather wasn't quite right. So anyway, we'll head back to Cairns, and we just stopped to feed Jakey and couldn't go past this Emerald Creek Ice Creamery in between Kuranda and Mareeba. Absolutely delicious. Literally driven past this place like 20 times. Don't know why. You're gonna ride in the big boy chair on the way home, next to Daddy. Hey? You'll be alright, eh? No, it's a hard life.
And it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose.